If you're thinking about getting started with investing in 2025, you're in the right place. The stock market can feel overwhelming at first. So many companies, so much news, and so many people shouting different advice. But today, we're keeping it simple. We're breaking down 5 beginner-friendly stocks that are catching attention this year. Companies you can actually understand and feel confident adding to your watch list. Before we jump into the list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Just Finance, part of the Just Channels network, for weekly updates on saving, investing, and building real financial freedom. Now, let's get started. First up, we have Apple. You probably already know Apple for its iPhones, MacBooks, and AirPods, but what makes Apple powerful from an investing point of view is how deeply it's embedded into people's lives. Over the last few years, Apple has expanded far beyond hardware. Services like Apple Pay, Apple Music, iCloud, and Apple TV Plus now make up a huge chunk of the company's revenue. And here's the kicker: service businesses are usually much more profitable than selling physical products. Apple's ability to grow its ecosystem, where every device and service ties together seamlessly, makes customers extremely loyal. Once you're inside Apple's world, it's hard to leave, and that loyalty keeps profits flowing even during economic slowdowns. For beginners, Apple represents a strong, stable company that has a proven track record of weathering tough times and bouncing back stronger. Second on the list is Nvidia. You may know Nvidia as the company that makes high-end graphics cards for gamers, but today, Nvidia is much more than gaming. Nvidia has become the leader in artificial intelligence hardware. Every time you hear about breakthroughs in AI, like ChatGPT or self-driving cars, Nvidia is quietly behind the scenes providing the computing power that makes it possible. Their AI chips, especially their H100 series, are in massive demand across industries, from tech giants building AI systems, to healthcare companies using AI for drug discovery, to automakers designing smart vehicles. Nvidia's leadership position in AI gives it a massive advantage going forward. And while the stock has seen explosive growth already, many believe we're still in the early stages of the AI revolution. For beginners, Nvidia is exciting because it gives you exposure to one of the fastest growing trends in technology without having to bet on a dozen smaller companies. Coming in at number 3 is Amazon. Most people think of Amazon as just an online store, but their real moneymaker isn't Prime Delivery or retail at all. It's Amazon Web Services, or AWS, their cloud computing division. AWS powers huge chunks of the internet, hosting everything from Netflix to government databases to mobile apps you use daily. Cloud computing isn't just growing, it's becoming essential for businesses in every industry. Beyond that, Amazon is investing heavily in artificial intelligence, logistics technology, grocery delivery, and even healthcare. It's a company constantly evolving and positioning itself for the next big wave. For beginner investors, Amazon offers something really powerful: diversification within a single company. When you invest in Amazon, you're getting exposure to e-commerce, cloud computing, AI, and more. And after a few tough years post-pandemic, Amazon's stock valuation has become much more attractive compared to its historical highs. At number 4, we have Tesla. Now, Tesla is definitely a more volatile stock. It moves up and down sharply compared to companies like Apple or Microsoft. But with higher risk often comes higher reward. Tesla is not just about electric cars. It's about energy, electric vehicles, solar power, battery storage, and even future concepts like the Tesla bot. With global governments pushing harder for clean energy and EV adoption, Tesla's head start is a huge advantage. They're building factories faster, lowering costs faster, and dominating EV markets in ways traditional car companies are still scrambling to match. For beginners, Tesla can be a smart growth stock play, meaning you're betting more on future expansion rather than stable dividends. But it's important to manage risk. You don't have to bet everything on Tesla. A few shares or fractional shares can give you exposure to the clean energy revolution without overextending your portfolio. Finally, we have Microsoft. Microsoft has been a quiet giant for decades, and they just keep getting stronger. They dominate in enterprise software with products like Microsoft Office, Teams, and Windows. But today, Microsoft's real growth engines are cloud computing, Azure, and artificial intelligence, through partnerships like OpenAI. They also recently expanded their gaming empire by acquiring Activision Blizzard, a move that solidifies their leadership in entertainment and esports. Microsoft is also one of the few tech giants that pays a dividend, meaning you get a small cash payout every quarter just for holding the stock. For beginner investors, Microsoft is attractive because it combines stability, innovation, and passive income potential in one company. Quick recap. So the 5 stocks to watch in 2025 are Apple, AAPL, consistent growth and strong ecosystem. Nvidia, NVDA, dominating the AI revolution. Amazon, AMZN, cloud computing leader and diversified giant. Tesla, TSLA, high-risk, high-reward clean energy disruptor. Microsoft, MSFT, cloud, AI, gaming, and stable income. A few final beginner tips. Before you jump into investing, always remember these 3 things. Diversify your portfolio. Don't bet all your money on one stock, even if it seems like a sure thing. Invest for the long term. Trying to get rich quick in the stock market usually ends badly. Patience is your best weapon. Do your own research. Watch videos like this, read about companies, check their financials, and understand what you're buying. Investing isn't about being perfect. It's about making smart, consistent decisions over time. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Just Finance, part of the Just Channels network, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got a stock you're watching closely for 2025? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your watch list picks and why you're excited about them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.